Are you set to move out in the next 3 months? I'm sure you are worried about the move, your new property, the parking, getting movers. And it's a very stressful time, I understand. But don't worry, you are in the good hands. My name is Joe Boateng. I work with Robocleaning services, and our specialty is helping tenants, landlords, letting agents, relocation teams do their cleaning effortlessly. And we can link you up with top movers that can help you with your move. Having been called to a lot of properties and a lot of move-out cleans, I can conveniently promise you that your clean will be the most perfect one. We have the 5-star, not for fun, but because of the job that we do. I've got a team of cleaners that are specialized in their fields, be it your bathroom, the kitchen, ovens, carpets, all sorts of. We will do all of it for you. We've been cleaning for the past 12 years, helping a lot of tenants, and you can be sure that your property will be clean to an immaculate standard, and your rent deposit is guaranteed. If you have any problem and you think Roboclean can be the solution, why don't you look out to the link down there and call us or reach out to us. We will be there to help you. Remember, every year we clean over 3,000 homes, 4 to 7 bedrooms. So I know what I'm talking about. Check us out. Thanks.